class, good morning. How are you today? And welcome to our music lesson once again. Today we're going to talk about values of notes and rest. And of course, that is with teacher JM. JM. Hello. I hope everyone's doing great today. And we have a lot of exciting things to learn this week as you walk through with this lesson. You will enjoy learning the music by identifying the values of notes and rests used in a particular song. And today, for the objective, we have this one. We have taken this from the MELC, or the most essential learning competencies. And the objective is identifying or to identify the values of notes and rest used in a particular song. And the code is Music Grade 6, Quarter 1, Week 1, and Day 1. Okay, so tukuyin natin, alamin natin yung values ng nota na nagamit natin sa isang songs or sa particular song na ating kakantahin mamaya. Pero bago yon, but before that, we are going to have a quick review of our past lesson that you've learned from your past grade level, and that is the notes and rest chart. So we have here, you have the name of the notes, the note symbol, the rest symbols, the beats, and of course in 4/4 time signature measure. Okay, we have here the whole note. This is the symbol of whole note, and this one is the whole rest. And of course, they receive 4 counts or 4 beats. And this one is half note, and the symbol is half note, symbol of half rest. They receive 2 counts. Quarter note and quarter rest, both receive 1 count. 8th note, this one, see the symbol and the 8th rest, 1/2 beat. 16th note and 16th rest, 1/4 beats. And these are the measures. Okay, what if we're going to clap the whole note? How are we going to clap the whole note? Okay, it goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 1, 2, 1, 2. It goes like this: 1, 2, 1, 2. So just one clap, then after 2 counts, release, and then clap, and then release. What about quarter note? 1, 1, 1, 1. So it receives only 1. What about this one? 8th note. 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and. Okay, so this one is 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that's a little bit faster compared to others, but you know, it's my clapping is not just as clear as the sound of a note. But before that, it's okay. So again, these are the notes and rest and their corresponding time value. Okay, so we have here the worksheet and work activity, but before that, we need to sing the song first using the link and clap the rhythmic pattern of the song while singing. Bago natin to guys sasagutan yung mga questions dito, we need to do first this activity. And we have the music activity 1, day 1, week 1. Can you read this one? This is Harana sa Bukid, Tagalog folk song. So we'd say Harana. Harana is a traditional form of courtship in the Philippines. So pa yung manliligaw ka, then kakantahan mo, gusto pa ba ang harana? But ngayon yan, no? But before, they used to have Tagalog folk song when they sing harana. Okay, it's a traditional. Pero ngayon na iba na yan, no? So wherein men introduce themselves and woo women by singing underneath her window at night. So it was practiced before with a set of protocols. See that? With a set of protocols, a code of conduct, and a specific style of men. Okay? So we're going to sing this song first. We need to learn this. We need to study the tune of this song. Okay, you follow me. We need to listen to this. Okay, so listen very carefully. Okay, so great. This time we're going to sing together with the tune of this Harana sa Bukid. Okay, sing with me, guys. Tao po may bahay, may bagsikang aso, buksan ang bintana, tayo'y magpandambog. Kung walang gitara, maski na bilao, makita ko lamang ang dalaga ninyo. Ayun. So, great. Nakuha nyo. So, kaya mo pa ba? So, this time, let's try. Ika-clap natin yung hands natin, yung rhythm niya. We're just going to clap, join with the tune, clap the rhythm of this Tagalog folk song or harana. Okay? Okay, so great. I hope you got the tune of this Harana sa Bukid. And once again, you can sing with me. Tao po may bahay, mabagsik ang aso, buksan ang bintana, tayo'y magpandanggo. Kung walang gitara, maski na bilao, makita ko lamang ang dalaga ninyo. Okay, so you did well, grade 6 pupils or grade 6 student. So we have here the activity. So question number 1, what is the time signature of the song? So see, the time signature of the song is this. Okay, that is 3/4 time signature. Number 2 question, what are the notes and rests you find in the song? So have a look again. Look closer to each notes. What types of notes are these, and what kind of rest that we can find in the song. Okay, so you can write your answer in the space provided here. And of course, question number 3, write the values of notes and rests used in the song. So if you write here the quarter note, and what is the value of that note? If you write here half note or half rest or quarter rest, then you write also the corresponding value of that notes and rest. Okay, so next, question number 4, what do you think is the meaning of the song? Okay, so a while ago I explained it to you. So what is harana, and what is the meaning of the song, what is the song all about? Okay, so you can write your answer here on this space provided, or maybe in your module there are more spaces provided for these questions, so you can answer or elaborate your answer. You can explain your answer there. Okay, and we'll proceed for another activity 2. We have the activity 2. We have the song Lulay. It's again a Tagalog folk song, but I wasn't able to do in the notation score, but here it's just quite blurred, and all you have to do is to identify here the notes. You complete the table below, draw and identify the notes and rests used in the song, write the values, and of course the rest also. You can answer and supply here in the blank, in the given table below. You can complete the table. You write down the notes. Here are the notes used in the song. You can write down here, and the rest, and of course their corresponding values. Okay, and that's for today, guys. Class, thank you for watching. If you have questions, you can message me on my Facebook account, and you can have a personal message. And that's for today. I hope you learned from our week 1, quarter 1, and day 1 lesson in our music class today. And see you again for the next quarter, or the next music lesson. And this is once again Teacher JM signing off.